Hey, it's Gio, and this is a quick summary of another great tech blog on zvelo.com. This one's about honeypots. The cloud is full of misconfigured and vulnerable systems, and attackers are constantly looking for and exploiting these vulnerabilities. Once a vulnerable system is identified, they waste no time in launching an attack. Honeypots are a key active defense technique because they allow defenders to quickly identify when they are under attack without having to sift through a lot of noise and false positives. Honeypot systems are intentionally set up to appear vulnerable, so that when an attacker recons a network, they're lured into interacting with these sweet-looking systems. By design, honeypots should have no normal activity, so anything detected on the system has a high probability of being malicious activity. Honeypots can be used to monitor the actions of an attacker before they attempt to compromise actual company systems. They give defenders a proactive approach to identify what an attacker may be looking for and what they may do if or when they get access to a system. This enables defenders to proactively identify both the attack methods of an attacker along with the malware they're looking to deliver. The zvelo threat team began observing activity almost immediately. Within the first 24 hours, the honeypot was attacked more than 150,000 times. These attacks may be generated from automated scripts, or they could be manual attacks. In either case, the honeypot data provides new and actionable threat intelligence that can be leveraged by a variety of security tools to help proactively secure the network. They also allow defenders to characterize attack behaviors, patterns, and trends, as well as generate specific threat intelligence that can be loaded into various monitoring systems to proactively secure a company's network. In the case of the honeypots used as an example for this blog post, zvelo's threat team demonstrates how quickly attackers identify newly deployed infrastructure. Additionally, the team identified certain ASNs that attackers are using and the specific IP connections to those ASNs. Depending on a company's unique business requirements, defenders may be able to configure IP blocks or geoblocks if there's not a reasonable business need to accept traffic from these IPs, ASNs, or even the countries. The information can provide cybersecurity pros a great way to highlight the danger of misconfigured and publicly exposed assets to their organization's leadership. Check out the complete blog post on zvelo.com. As usual, I'll put a link in the description or comments. See you next time.